What the? Really? Nissan drivers.
Exactly.
Basically, the composition of any organism, chemically, biologically, is going to be an interaction
Exit
of
dive.
and its genes. So, growing the same plants or animals.
Way more exit dives in Rochester than there. Wait, what the?
Responds, and then will taste different.
Okay.
If you had exactly the same fruit.
That's a nice cutoff up there.
Sessions just continue to spiral out of control, but hey, they bring us joy and fulfillment, right? So that's why we do it. But that's going to wrap up my 10 things
Can you not?
Summer 2024.
Dude.
Let me go back through it. 1, paddle or ride in a boat on an 80K body of water. 2, hike in Adirondack bikes at other bike shops around Lake Placid. Hiking cycler, you can rent bikes. I'm not sure.
No, stop.
Planet in Lake Placid rents bikes. I probably should have looked.
Like large food companies paying more and more attention to flavor, especially as they're making plant-based meats and things like this. But I think,
Hey, you ran through a stop sign, dude.
People working on food, whether that's farmers, seed breeders, certain ways that understanding.
And I thought the Costco in Syracuse was bad.
He put down the conch, strode along the balcony. Did that terrifying moon hold out hope of escape?
Come on.
For meaning
You can go now.
Of umami, but yeah, the experience of eating is kind of shaped by chemistry even after we've swallowed.
Yeah, like you have sugar receptors in your gut as well. So
Exactly.
It prepares your
Oh,
brain
nice
to
cutoff
receive
up there.
the signal that, hey, I'm eating sugar, this is great.
Yeah.
Ohio. He was suspected of both vandalism and arson. He was on the run, evading capture. He saw a wanted.
Exit dives. Super.
Themselves. We start in the year 2016. A couple of guys named Benjamin Robinson and Daniel.
Red light run. Red light run. 2 of them and a Nissan driver ran the red light.
With something transcendental.
A lot of restaurants now.
Exit dive. Can you get off my ass behind me? Nope. Everyone sucks. Uh-oh, someone's exit diving, it seems like. Yep, how did I guess? And there was a nice cutoff there, too. Super! Really? What the fuck are you doing?
One should base transportation policy in a region of tens of millions of people. Even if you just zero in on the
red light run, red light run, red light run.
Nope.
Didn't think so.
No, stop.
How you doing, young lady? The feeling that you're giving really drives me crazy. And I was like, I'm not eating it. You know why? Because if a pig came into your house and took a dump from your kitchen, that is what chitlins smell like. Well,
yeah, you're like not paying attention.
No way. I mean, you literally are eating something that smells like literal
Screen.
food.
Go.
Some of the best food they've ever had in their life.
Whether it was algorithms showing it to me or people tagging me, it was this whole New York City contest.
Wait, left turn regret.
As a resident of New York and an expert ADK experience top to bottom.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Those turn right from a straight lane.
and scour the streets of Manhattan for free parking, and that shouldn't cost me anything. But it will
Red
cost all of
light
you.
run, red light run. Seems like every intersection here has at least one red light runner. People are gonna get tired of this fucking song, but I don't care. Don't stop, scrooparoo. The motherfucking DRE. We keep the motherfucking heads ringing. Ring, ding, dong. Ring-a-ding, ding, ding, dong. Wait, what the? Really? Nissan drivers. Are you sure you want that left turn? And you just ran a red light too. Red light run, red light run. Really? Yeah, you're a freaking moron. Wait, that was left turn regret.
Although I do have to tell you, the comedian, there is a comedian that calls people with no
red light run, mellow roofing. I see your signs everywhere. Ran the red light. Yeah, fuck you. I gotta stop saying fuck you in these videos. That's so rude. I should have more standards. Higher moral standards. Well, someone actually stopped. Yay! We're learning! Good job! And of course the Jeep, fake Jeep Cherokee, whatever the fuck they call those things, just ran the stop sign.
Standing on a platform a little bit above the water level, giving a big speech.
Hello!
And then
no one behind me!
A shark jumped out of the water, grabbed it.
Red light run, red light run, red light run, Nissan driver.
If I don't do this little trick with the wheel where I lift up one side, I could actually get up to 45 gallons. So basically 40 gallons I can put it in. So I have plenty. I would have
no, trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And we just passed the sign that said that. And it's for real, obviously, because we just passed the sign that fucking said that. No trailers in the left lane. No, you can't see them right now, but my exit's coming up. I can't really follow him. Oh well, sucks to be him. He's in the video anyways. Yeah, you get the idea. I'll stop singing and stop being annoying. Well, if this is the end of the video, I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!